Rieta angoro ku Philemon Morara Piemi. You see, a certificate a document is very important. A working and also mete, and then I also mete. One I can montago tokwa na fake certificates. A Canadian to kebe very serious. Aso kubuati ya babari kire with the fake certificates. I support very strongly. Lakini no ato go support. And then about Ogoboli na kibari get. Because ordinarily, I can go monto, we go verify a certificate TH, high education board, a verify a certificate MBA or Taramolika. Ye minute no ane Karabarico Rico or Corambuaro. Igo in child support strongly. Kubuatia Bantaba, or prosecuted. Nabari barigete na barobere na kiba barigete neji certificate ye fake. Igoro yeri swali ya finance bill. Isi enjera serikali ya kolegasi. A finance bill is the process serikali ya kusokchibesa. Consolidated bank, consolidated fund. Egere judge gutumeka. Wono finance bill yero. Actually with several proposals, Choko enhance taxes, no we introduce new taxes. I got to go to the finance bill, 2023. Yeah, we had the same problem. Bakaleta chi tax chinde, house levies, and many other taxes. So this is what we need. Tax chiriba introduced 2023 finance bill. Nkichia kolere mwana inchi. Eko gare proposal when you do a budget, we go indicating a budget yeye. Kuna wana tubuate budget ya 3.9 trillion. A budget yeye. We kayoro kinga chibesa totagetenechi. Eko tuwa chinyorire chikolerwe egasi yeye iga. One of these were in Koboria, especially our members of parliament. A Canadian take a good petigo as a allocation of resources. As I say, Moya to a county, which projects Chiavera allocated those resources. I got to Manyang and to Akana, we also stand to benefit. 2023 finance bill. Project kichia tumbanye tenya mira onya infrastructure mpara kichia rosetiwe out of that enhanced taxation. So aso bwenge owi mabuo mo Kenya wabeire obweigoro monase ki finance because buna bona bata te ko increase tax aso mogati nebintu binde ebinde bono mwana inchi nanya arobo gimobo negento kende akajibese chia sangiririwe. How is the spending? Ekere budget yego etiwa our members of parliament wikababoli na ki akajibese chia sangiririwe na kichiko tumeka executive na kiego tumeka origerie finance bill ya 2024 yoko nyoranga was state house for example. Ministry of Defense, Nigeria the huge chunk of the amount. Lakini wako nyora agriculture, education, infrastructures, iko chikaidi. So a point neringa akaroko rusia tax ina kiego tumeka. West nero nga kichira allocated. So member of parliament cheito we kabarigererie allocation. Wakiri tikina ende baure tisa allocation ngo benefit yere usiya ito.